Hello dear students, today we will solve exercise 5.2 question 5th. Find the number of atoms in each of following APs. हमें number of atoms find करनी है और we have to given APs. Now first AP is 7, 13, 19 so on. Our last term of AP is 205. Now in this AP, the first term is 7. So first term is denoted by A. So A is 7 and D. D is common difference. So common difference is find. How to find? By subtracting second term. By subtracting first term from the second term. That is 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Now 205 is nth term. Nth term is An. Last term is 205. Now all of you know that nth term An, formula of An is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value of all these. An is 205, A is first term that is 7 plus n minus 1, D is common difference 6. Now in this type of questions always firstly shift the first value that is A, value of A to left side by changing their sign. So 7 goes to left side by changing their sign. So here n minus 1 into 6. Now 205 minus 7 that is 198 is equal to n minus 5 into 6. Now 198, 6, both terms are in multiplication. So when 6 comes to left side, so it is in divide. So n minus 1 is equal to 198 by 6. Now 33. So n minus 1 equal to 33. The value of n is 33. Minus 1 become plus 1, that is 34. So number of term in this AP is 34. Or you can also say that the 34th term is 205. 34th term of an AP, given AP, is 205. Now second part is 18, 15 1 by 2, 13 so on, and last term is minus 47. Same. In this question we are given A is 13. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फाइंड करनी है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ n. A is first term, so first term is 18. This is last term, so an is minus 47. Now find the D. How can you find D? By subtracting first term from the second term. Now mixed form, write it in fraction. 15 to the 30 plus 1, 31 by 2. So second term is 31 by 2 minus 18. Now subtract this, taking 2 as LCM. 2 as LCM. Now 2 divides to 1, that 31 minus 1 divides to 2, 18 to the 36. That is common difference is minus 5 by 2. Now again write down the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is last term. Value of last term is minus 47. A is first term. N minus 1. D is minus 5 by 2. So firstly shift 18 to left side. Minus 47 minus 18 equal to n minus 1 minus 5 by 2. So minus 47 minus 18 is minus 65 equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 65 minus 5 by 2 when goes to left side, so take its reciprocal. So reciprocal of minus 5 by 2 is 2 upon 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. So 13 2 ja 26. N minus 1 is 26. So you can write n is minus 1. So it goes to right side. So change the sign. 26 plus 1, that is 27. So n is 27. So 27th term of AP is minus 47. Now question 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. AP is 11, 8, 5, 2, so on. We have to check minus 150 is any term in this AP. So let us suppose minus 150 is a term of this AP. Let us suppose minus 150 is any term of this AP. So we have supposed any term, so write down Tn. Any term of this AP is minus 150. So Tn, how to write the Tn? Tn can be written A plus Tn, A or An is same. T A plus n minus 1 into T is equal to minus 150. Now A is first term. First term of this AP is 11 plus n minus 1. D is common difference. Firstly find the common difference. Common difference is A minus 11. So D is equal to 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Write down the value of D is minus 3, minus 150. Now whenever you have to find the value of n, always follow the rule. Firstly change the shift A into another side. Minus 150 into minus 11, n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 3 is in bracket, write down in bracket, minus 161. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 161 upon minus 3. Cancels minus. Now divide 161 into by 3. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 2 20. That is 53.6. So n is equal to 53.6 plus 1 approximately. So value of n is 54.6. So it is not possible because term is always in any natural number. We can say first term, second term, third term. Term cannot be in decimal, cannot be in fraction. It is always natural number. So which is not a natural number? Which is not a natural number? So minus 150 is not, minus 150 cannot be a term of this AP, given AP. AP is 11, 8, 5, 2. In this AP, minus 50 cannot come. So minus 150 cannot be a term of given AP. Now question number 7th. Now question 7. Find the 31st term. आपने इस क्वेश्चन में 31st term find करनी है and whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. We have to given two terms. 11th number term is, value of 11th number term is 38 and 16th number term is 73. With the help of these two terms, we have to find the 31st term. So in this type of questions, always suppose A is the first term and D is the common difference of a given AP. A and D with the first term and common difference of given AP. Now T11 is 38. T16 is 73. Now T11 can be written as A is first term. A plus n minus 1. N is, here n is 11. 11 minus 1 into D. D is the common difference, is equal to 38. So A plus 11 minus 1, that is 10. D equal to 38. Now similarly write down term 16. A plus 16 minus 1 into D equal to 73. A plus 15D equal to 73. Now we have two equations, that is one is A plus 10D equal to 38. Second is A plus 15D equal to 73. Now solve these equations by any method. Now we will solve these equations by elimination method. Now first equation is A plus 10D equal to 38 and second equation is A plus 15D equal to 73. In elimination method, we have to always eliminate one variable either by subtracting these equations or by adding these equations. Now in this question, we will subtract these two equations to eliminate A. So when we have to subtract equations, always change the sign of second equation. So A plus, so write down minus. Minus means plus. Here is plus term, so write down minus. And forget above signs. Cancel. Now plus 10 minus 15, that is minus 15D equal to 35. So D is equal to minus 35 upon minus 5 is 7. So value of D is 7. Now substitute the value of D in any equation. We are substituting the value of D in first equation. From first, A plus 10D equal to 38. So write the value of D. A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. So A is equal to 38 minus 70. So value of A is minus 32. Value of A is minus 32. Now we have to find the 31st term. 31st term means we have to find T31. So it can also written as A plus 31 minus 1 into D. So A plus 30D. So value of A is, in this question value of A is minus 32 plus 30D is 7. So write down both values. Minus 32 plus 210. So 210 minus 32, that is 178. So value of 31st term in given AP is 178. Thank you.